have been thinking about buying a house in Port Harcourt and you want to know the best places you can buy a house in Port Harcourt, then allow me to introduce you to this particular project right here inside Garden Heights Estate in GRA Phase 3. One beautiful thing I love about this project is the location. It is one of the most in-demand areas for visitors coming into Port Harcourt. So whether you are buying to put it out for shortly during December period, or you're buying it as your holiday home where you can host your friends, have a good holiday stay when you are in Nigeria, then this particular project ticks the right boxes. It is in a well-secured gated estate environment, a place that security is not a question. There is limited access. You cannot enter this estate, or else someone in this estate recommends you or tells the security you are coming. So when it comes to security, it is top notch. Also, there is a flexible payment plan if you decide to pay on installment. This project is a 16 units of 2-bedroom apartments and 4 units of duplexes. The 2-bedroom apartment is currently going for 69 million naira, while the 4-bedroom duplexes are going for 210 million naira. You can pay all at once or pay on outright within 4 months without any interest, or you can make installment payments within 12, 18 to 24 months with interest attached. This gives you an opportunity to own a home in Port Harcourt without any much pressure in your financial pocket. And the beautiful thing is that it is an off-plan project. So while you are paying for your units on installments, development is going on and the value of your property is also increasing. By the time you are done paying, the value must have doubled or even tripled. Now you can make an initial deposit of between 10 to 14 million naira depending on what you are going for, and spread your balance within 4 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, whichever works for you. This is a very solid project with good title documents that guarantees your safety for your investment. This Garden Heights estate we are in is also fully developed by the developers of this project. So it is not their one-time project. They have been in this business for a while and people are already fully living in their completed projects as well. So you don't have any issues about will they deliver on this project, will they keep to their words and all that. You can already see all around me at the project they have already delivered on. Go ahead and reach out to me through the number on your screen on 081 2055 2218 and let's lock in your units right here in Garden Heights Estate project. My name is Josinadi and I help Nigerians abroad buy land and property safely in Port Harcourt that gives them money and increases their income by the day. I will see ya.